My name is Dave with J.E. Brown Company, and we're going to learn how to adjust the sensor.
Okay.
So there's a few buttons, and right now whenever you press home, it just brings you back to the main screen. So it tells you exactly what the temperature is outside.
And we're talking about the temperature that turns on the heat.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
And this is the temperature that's measuring outside currently.
Correct.
So to change it, you press the button that says Menu, and then you'll see the word that says Program with an arrow pointed to the right. So you push the right arrow, and then it'll ask you, do you want to change the temperature for relay 1, which is the sensor, and then you just press the right arrow again, and it'll give you 4 options. The only one we need to worry about is just set point, the very first one. So we'll press the right arrow one more time, and now we can change the temperature. So today we're going to bring it up a little. We're going to bring it up to 58 degrees.
Okay.
So once you've set it up or down, you can go up or down, but we'll set it at 58. When you press the right arrow again, it saves it.
And it was at 55.
And it was at 55.
So we moved it up to 58.
Correct. So now we're going to go back down to the word exit, because all these other settings you don't have to worry about. Hit exit. Again, it'll point the arrow to the right, so you push the right arrow. Exit one more time. Exit this third window, and there you're set.
Okay,
So now
what we've done is increase the temperature that it will turn on from 55 to 58,
Right.
and that's measured outside.
outside.
Okay.
So if the day now is a little colder than 58 degrees, the steam boiler will come on as long as the clock tells it to come on. So they work together.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So you're welcome.
And just one other thing, how would you turn on the heat if you wanted to activate it at any one time?
Oh, that's a little trick.
I think
Let's
I think
see.
with this there, you just move that switch over from the right to
This
the,
one, yes. This is the manual override. So if you just flip this on,
that'll turn on the heater.
it'll turn on here, but only if it's cold outside.
Only if it's cold.
Yeah. So they're working together. So you'll have to also make sure that it has to be below 58 degrees.
I don't know if that's true.
Okay.
I think regardless of the temperature, that would go on, but I could be wrong.
Okay.
If you manually switch it.
Yeah. Because usually if you do an override, there should be a third switch to just bypass the both of them.
Okay.
But I don't see
Okay.
it here.
You may be correct.
Okay.
All right. So you have switched it on right now, and the
Yeah.
boiler didn't come on.
And it didn't come on.
I believe that you must be correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but we can test it. We can change this just to turn it on, just to test it. So what we'll do is we'll just as a test, we're going to change this again, and we're going to bring it up to maybe 70 something, just to see if it comes on. There we go.
Okay. That did.
So we'll bring it back down to 58. Okay, so they do work together.
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
And I'll put this back on the automatic.
Okay. And what are the times set for now?
Time is set for, it looks like 4:30 in the morning to 8:30 in the morning. So it goes from 4:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and it's all the way off until 5 o'clock p.m. and it turns off at 9 o'clock p.m.
And what time does it say now?
And
What
now
is
it's
the time?
about 1:30, which is what I got on my clock.
Okay, so it is-
1:30ish.
So it's already been adjusted for daylight savings.
Right,
Okay,
correct.
Great. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And that concludes the demonstration of how to turn off the heating and turn it on and reset the temperature. Hopefully tonight it'll go on. Bye for now.